Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is really quick here. I'm just going to show you how to make your own insulated bottle, like a water bottle. I would not do this for coffee, but insulation for water bottle. I like to put ice in here when I go to the gym, and I make my own drink, energy drink, but that's a different video. So this is what your packages come in from Amazon or someplace else. It doesn't have to be the shiny aluminum material, but it can be. Either way is okay. The main thing is that it's got air in it, insulation. So if you fill this with ice and then you took it hiking or to a cycle class, it's going to get all wet and sweat and everything and make a mess. So this is why you wrap it up. It'll keep the drink colder and it'll prevent the dripping pretty much. So you just cut it to size. See what I did? I'm going to wrap it, and I've got a little extra piece here I'm going to put on the bottom. Also, if you drop this and you pad the bottom, it's not going to break when you drop it. These are not indestructible. I know from experience. I have dropped it. It had some water or drink in it, and it split right across here. So I'm not advertising for these people, but it could be any Nalgene, is that the word that they use, or any kind of these plastic water bottles. Okay, so let me move along. So I'm one-handing it here. You want to make it tight enough so that it doesn't fall off. If you hang this, this one has a little handle. You can hang it from a carabiner. So make it tight enough so it doesn't fall off, but make it loose enough so that you can slide this off when you want to take this out to clean it. See how I can move that out of there. I just used some packing tape to get my dimension here, and then I'm going to use some of this aluminum tape to finish it off. So I think I'm about right there. You see how I just moved that? That's about right. I'm going to make a bottom. So just draw a circle around the bottom, and then you're going to cut it about 3/4 of an inch bigger than that so you can fold it up. Cut some slots in it like that, so when you fold it up it doesn't bunch up. Okay, see how I wrap the aluminum tape around all of that? Okay. And I put one strip this way to seal the overlap. You only get one chance with these. This stuff is so sticky, you can't take it off and replace it. So make sure you get it right. Now I'm going to put a little fancy fold on the top here. Okay, so this one, I've made these before. This one I decided to come up high here. See, so if there's a little dribble out of the edge of the, here, let me show you. Oops, sorry. Try to pull this out a little bit. Not working. Hold on. Yeah, okay, like that. So if there's a little dribble out of this edge here, I suppose it'll go down inside there. See what I mean? And then this whole thing, since it's plastic, you can rinse it, or you could even wash it with soap and water, I suppose. I don't think I'll go to that trouble. But you can take your bottle out and you use your bottle brush, and you're going to wash the bottle every time you use it, or every couple of times, whatever. So that is it. And then you put a sticker on here, whatever sticker you want, a happy face, MAGA, flag, whatever you want to put on there. You put a sticker on there. And the only one other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a bumper on the bottom, because when I hang this off the edge of my gym bag, it hits the ground sometimes. It hits the asphalt in the driveway, in the parking lot. So that wears it out here. So what I'm going to do is take some shoe glue, which is really tough stuff, and I'm going to make a couple little rings of shoe glue around here. Okay, and I'm also going to wrap this a few more times with this tough tape, because this is not that tough. This will tear. If you get something sharp on it, it'll tear. But this won't tear. This is much tougher than this. So I'm going to wrap it a few times and do the shoe glue on the bottom. I'll show you. I forgot one other thing. Put some of that heavy-duty tape across the bottom too, because the bottom is the fragile insulated stuff. Okay, so this is going to be your heavy-duty, your bumper on the bottom, so that if it hits it won't split, and it'll also save the wear and tear on this material, because if it hits the parking lot asphalt like mine is always going to do, it's going to wear out. But I'm going to put some of this stuff. I'll show you. Okay, there it is. I mean, that doesn't look beautiful or anything, but it's meant to just be a bumper on the bottom. And trust me, this is tough stuff. You use it to repair athletic shoes. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. You can even tip me. I guess there's some little button on there so you could tip me if you think this is a good idea. So you did it yourself. You made an insulated drink container, and you decorate it with your own stickers, and instead of paying $50 or whatever they get for the ones that are insulated, I just like doing things myself. Homemade, do it yourself, custom, whatever you want to call it. Okay, be safe, have fun. Let's go, Brandon. Froggy out. Okay, so here's my sticker that I put on there. Stop voter fraud. Okay, you put your own sticker on there, whatever you want. And my granddaughter's art in my office. See ya. Bye.